world is constantly changing, while society adapts as best it can. But as the world changes, so do professional requirements. The competition in the global labor market is getting tougher. Unequal education opportunities and growing youth population intensify these challenges. Globally, it is estimated that young people are 3 times as likely as adults to be unemployed. Meet Julia. Faced with this uncertain future, she is thinking about what type of skills she will need to be competitive in a rapidly changing job market. The UNESCO UNIVOC International Center supports TVET institutions in order to improve access to quality education and skills training for young people like Julia. Julia has recently graduated from the local TVET college and is well qualified for a career in renewable energy. She successfully starts her own solar technology company. But as her business expands, she's having a hard time finding employees with the right combination of skills and practical experience. She reaches out to John Harris, the director of her former TVET college. John recognizes the importance of the SDGs and knows there are good jobs in the green economy, so he's working with UNESCO UNIVOC to mainstream green skills in the curriculum for current students and to reskill those affected by job losses. He is also training his staff for the shift towards digital learning. Julia and John work together to find a solution. By offering apprenticeships for students to gain practical experience, Julia will help to develop the skilled workforce needed to expand her business. To help achieve the global goals and set a path for a sustainable planet by 2030, UNESCO UNIVOC empowers people with the knowledge and skills for the world to come. The global UNIVOC network of more than 220 members in over 140 countries works together to make TVET the master key to unlocking job opportunities. UNESCO UNIVOC International Center for Technical and Vocational Education and Training, promoting skills for work and life.